Good morning. Here we are in Glendale, and we will be starting to redo this floor here. We were scheduled to be here for about 4 days, and as you can tell, there are differences in the floors here because it had different work done at different times. This entire area had carpet over it before. You see the different type of work they've done here. But what we're going to be doing, first off, is setting the entire thing down, cleaning it up. Over on this section, we will be installing a step. Well, two sections, a small section installation and a step down there with nosings. See the angle from this side? They will be doing something different with the risers. So, as we continue this way, another small little hallway right here. Not going down there. Small little repair right there to make up the difference. This kitchen also will be sanded down. Follow the path to another tiny little hallway and a bathroom. From the bathroom and this kitchen, we are going to continue to the dining area where the wood changes. In the past, they had this floor beveled for whatever reason. It was just done differently than the rest of the house. The beveling will not be removed, but the entire floor will be stained a darker color, so it'll be more even. There's also another separate section. Actually, this is more like a breakfast nook area. This is the main dining room. And of course, to the entryway. Not going to go upstairs. And of course, where we started from. It is Tuesday. I figure if things go smoothly, we'll be done by Thursday, worst case scenario, Friday. All right, let's get started.